What's up, guys? Welcome back. Chainsaw Man drawing from the manga, a character we haven't seen in the anime yet. Reze, or Rez. Not really sure how to pronounce it, but let's give it a go. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So we start with her eye. She's pulling the pin from her neck. It's obviously something to do with her power. I don't really know. So we have her head over on the right hand side on this half, right? So we start with her eye here. So we do this sort of big sort of curved line first. Up and down, right? We got to thicken this up and add some like eyelash spikes and stuff to it. So we just go down first, like so. Just making it darker. And then add some like extra spiking lines. And some eyelashes coming off like that. So bottom eyelid line, just sort of a broken line coming across there. And then we can see some eyelashes coming down from the bottom. So then her iris, big green eyes, I think they're green. And then her pupil in the middle. We have an eyelid line just there, and her eyebrows underneath her hair, right? So you can't really see it. So we have this like part in her hair here. So it like just comes down this way, and then the long one comes down just around her eye like that. So it's like a pair of curtains just opening around her eye. And then we can just see like a little bit of her eyebrow just in here. Real high up. So her nose then, all that's really drawn in for it is like this kind of thing. Tip of her nose, and then a nostril just there. And then her mouth, so starting sort of underneath, see the inside of her iris, right? And she's kind of smiling, but it goes like up and down both sides, right? So we'll go up like that, and then sort of down the other side. They've got a dark shadow there, but I think I'll just leave it like that. And then her bottom lip. Say we'll put it here, like so. And then her chin, feminine, sort of pointy, round chin, just there. So this piece of hair then comes all the way down this way. It comes back up, another little spike. Like textures all in there, right? And then on this side, hair goes down this way. Like so, and then the rest of her jaw just goes in there. So we can't actually see her other eye. It's covered mostly by her hair. You can see it like a little bit in this gap. Right, so her hair go down to all these spikes down here. And then the rest of her jaw goes that way. And then her other eye, so it's like in here, right? So it's down from this, right? So her eyes are like on this diagonal line. So then your top eyelid line, you'll just see a little bit of it in here. And the bottom eyelid line, just going that way. Some eyelashes kind of sticking off. And then her iris, big green, underneath the hair, just there. And her pupil in there. And then we can see her eyelid line and a bit of her eyebrow. There. So that's kind of tricky now because we've got a head tilt and it's kind of 3/4 and it's hard to get that eye sort of in the right place, you know. The main thing is it's like it's on this diagonal. Her head is tilted. So we can see like a little bit more hair just here in the back. And then some more going around her head all this way. And then we just go up and around the back of her head here. Like that, and then she's got a piece of hair that sticks down just over her ear. All right, so her ear is just here. Like that. And then ear lines inside. Like so. And then she has a bob at the back of her head, like a piece of hair that's kind of like tied up with another spike just sticking off here. So then long neck, so it just like curves down this way and then comes out from her hair here. And she's got this collar on. Some more hairlines there, sorry. And then her finger's in that ring, but we'll just get her shirt sort of in first. This is her collar on that side, and then on this side. Like so. And this one goes up around her neck, but then there's the ring here, right? So we'll just draw that first. And you've got her sort of fingers sticking in there, right? So you got like a knuckle. Going that way and then back here somewhere behind her hand. And then we just finish off her shirt and shoulder going that way. And she's got all this tied stuff down here. It's like a ribbon, so there. Okay. She doesn't have any neck muscles in the picture, but I'll add some. And there's a silver section here. So in the rest of her arm and her hand, right? So we've got like another knuckle and a finger here. And then we got another one here. And then her pinky, like that. And then her thumb. And thumbnail there. Then like the bottom of her hand goes this way. The side of her hand here, like so. And then this comes out to her wrist, right? She's quite skinny limbs and stuff, right? So the wrist will go down, and it's fairly long and sort of, I guess, smooth. Like it's not, there's not a lot of twists and turns until you get to the elbow area. Right, and this is kind of thin as well. It's a real feminine arm. And then the bottom of this arm up to there, down. You could have like a bit of an armpit sort of area there. And then her shoulder down that way. And then her shirt going that way. Do 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 do. So that piece of hair goes behind her finger. Right, but I think that's everything. That's how to draw Reze from Chainsaw Man. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.